Hello, fellow scientists, it's Mrs. KB, and welcome to our science class. Today we're working on our lima beans, and we're going to take a very close look at them, and we're going to do some wondering. And if you notice, this is a lima bean from bag number 5 that I've taken out. And I'm taking a very close look at this, and he has changed quite a bit since I last looked at him. My, oh my, he's gotten fatter. And there's something actually growing from him. Oh my. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to split this lima bean in half. Or another scientific word that we could use is dissect. That means to take apart. So I'm going to just take my fingernail and go along the edge and try to pop it open a little bit. And sure enough, here it comes. It's splitting open. Wow. I see there's kind of like a skin on here that's holding this all together. So I'm going to try to remove that. Oh, wow. It's coming off little by little, peeling off. And now let's see if I can split this wide open. Wow. I have split the lima bean open. And I'm looking at the different parts to this. Now I'm going to make some observations and wonder as I go along, and I'm looking very closely at this lima bean from bag number 5 that simply was in water, and it was also in sunshine. And it's changed in that it now has this little part that is coming out. Look at this. To me, that looks like it's the leaf inside. And then maybe that's the stem. Wow, wouldn't that be neat? And I'm turning it over. Oh, wait a minute, though. Because now I have this piece. And this looks like a stem, and that looks like a leaf. Wow. And now this is very thin. That's the skin that I see that was covering it, kind of like a protective coat. And now on this half, not too much is happening. It looks like there's an imprint here that shows where what I thought was the stem. Looks like that's where it was. And now I look on this side and it's still shiny and that looks just fine. But this is the side that's exciting. Because here, I'm wondering, and I'm guessing that this is the stem, and now maybe that's the leaf. Maybe this side is the root, though it still looks pretty much like a leaf, doesn't it? Well, I tell you what, I'm not too sure right now, and I have a lot of questions, but what I am going to do is I'm going to now take a look and take a blank paper from my booklet, and I'm going to draw what I see. So I'm drawing this half of the lima bean, and I'm going to put this part in here that looks like a leaf to me, and then put the stem that came out, and then it looks like another leaf I'm drawing. Okay, that one's not as nicely done, but it's still a leaf. So you know what? I'm going to label this lima. Oh, let me put this down. Bean, so I can write a little neater. And then I'm going to label this piece. My guess is that this is the leaf because it has left the whole body of the lima bean. And it seems like maybe it's reaching out to find the sun. So I'm going to label that the leaf. This is a leaf is attached to a stem. So I'm guessing that's the stem. And then I'm wondering here if these are the roots. So now I would like for you to do the same. Open up bag number 5, select one of your lima beans, and see what you discover. Maybe your lima bean looks a little different. Maybe it's the same. Whatever it is, and maybe you don't agree with what I have to say here, that this is the stem and the leaf and the root. Maybe you think it's the other way around. Whatever your guess is, you write it down. And then on Monday, we're going to find out what really are the different parts of a lima bean. Good luck!